Documents required for export. Part 1. Pre-export documents for customs clearance. Documents required before export for customs processing. 1. PI, pro forma invoice, sales contract issued by the exporter. This is a preliminary agreement outlining product details, pricing, terms, etc. 2. Invoice, commercial invoice, a mandatory document that includes details of the goods, value, currency, and payment terms. 3. PL, packing list, a detailed list showing quantity, weight, and dimensions of each package or container. 4. EVD, export value declaration. Declaration of the value of the goods made by the exporter, usually prepared by the CHA, Custom House agent. Based on these documents, the Customs Department issues a shipping bill, and permission for export is granted. Part 2. Post-export documents for payment collection. Documents required after customs clearance to collect payment. 1. Documents submitted to bank, AD bank, negotiating bank. These documents are submitted to the bank for payment realization, especially in documentary collection letter of credit, LC, DA, DP or consignment sale cases. 1. Request letter, covering letter. A letter addressed to the bank explaining the purpose of document submission and any relevant instructions. 2. Bill of exchange, 2 sets. A financial instrument prepared by the exporter, directing the buyer to pay a specific amount. Needs to be accepted by the buyer. 3. SB, shipping bill, 1 set, self-attested, issued by customs and confirms that the goods have been exported. 4. Commercial invoice, 3 sets, 3 copies detailing the transaction and sale. 5. Packing list, 3 sets, 3 copies listing the quantity, weight, and packaging details of the goods. 6. COO, certificate of origin, preferential, non-preferential, certifies the country of origin of goods. Rex number may be required for export to Europe. 1st, 3rd, 4th copy, in original. 7. Insurance certificate, original. Protects goods during transit. Required only when exporter is responsible as per Incoterms, e.g., CIF, FOB. 8. Phytosanitary certificate, original, subject to condition, mandatory for plant or agricultural products. Issued by the Plant Quarantine Authority, PQ. 9. Fumigation certificate, original, subject to condition, required for wooden packaging or agro products to ensure pest control. Issued by an authorized agency. 10. Lab test report, original, subject to condition, may be required for specific products based on buyer or importing country's demand. 11. Any other document as per ECCR, buyer requirement. Any additional documents required under ECCR, Export Cargo Clearance Regulation, or as specified by the buyer or advised by the CHA.